What? What's that sound? Oh, it's our stitch along with our friends over at Joann.com. You know that music. That means it's our favorite time of the year. So here it is. This is a sampler blanket, and you're going to notice that it's working in the horizontal and going upward in order to create new stitches in each section. You will notice that within each section we change the colors so it stays consistent, and at the end we will add pom-poms and tassels just for the extra flair. For the 6-week crochet along with you, we're going to be working progressively from week number 1 all the way to week number 6, and we're going to do each section individually. You're going to need a total of 4 colors in order to play, and most of them are exclusive to Joann.com or a local Joann store near you. So let's go through the course materials that you're going to need in order to play. For the yarn of choice for this stitch along, it is Bernat Blanket. You're going to need 1 ball of sun-soaked, 2 balls of vintage white, 2 balls of orange leaf, and 2 balls of deep sea. You'll also need a size M/13 or 9mm crochet hook in order to play, and also recommending a 5mm wide piece of cardboard for week number 6 in order to do the tassel work. So the clue for this one, you've already seen what it looks like, so it's not a mystery as per se, but one of the most important tips I can give you is that you really need to seriously watch your gauge. Sampler Afghans are fabulous, but the gauging of any particular sampler Afghan can really matter when you're changing stitch to stitch. So if you're feeling like the Afghan is getting too tight, then increase your crochet hook, and if you're feeling like it's getting too loose, then decrease your hook. So you'll want to start off with just your 1 size hook to begin, and then you'll progressively move. So some of these stitch work that you'll see has a lot more tension than others, and you'll want to play with that. So watch your gauge. That's your tip for this particular stitch along. Before I forget, there's also a knitting version for the stitch along, not the same blanket, but we have that, and that's going to be presented by our host Marley Bird. So you can just follow the link in the more information of this video, and you can also follow the knit version if you'd like to do both or just prefer to do one or the other. Throughout this stitch along, we would love to hear from you. So please use the hashtag of Handmade with Joann when doing social media with us, and tag us. We want to see your creativity as well. And let us know how you're making out, and also the community can step in and give you advice along the way. So I guess that's it for now. You have your clues, you have what we're going to be doing. Now you just have to pick your colors and play along with us. As always, the Crochet Crowd will be hosting a giveaway at the end of this, and we will be extending it beyond a month, so you have time to be able to finish, and this would make for a great Christmas gift as well. Until next time, it's Mikey on behalf of the Crochet Crowd and my good friends Joann.com. Have a good one, and we'll see you on week number